Module 6, Straight and Level Flight in Instrument Meteorological Conditions, IMC. Introduction. Straight and level flight is a fundamental aviation skill that entails maintaining a constant altitude and heading without significant deviations. Mastering this skill is crucial for safe and efficient flight operations, serving as the foundation for more complex maneuvers. This chapter explores the principles, techniques, and procedures for establishing and maintaining straight and level flight in Instrument Meteorological Conditions, IMC. Instrument Meteorological Conditions, IMC, refer to weather conditions that require pilots to fly primarily by reference to instruments rather than visual cues. These conditions typically include poor visibility, cloud cover, fog, rain, or other adverse weather that obscures the horizon and ground. Pilots operating under IMC must follow the Instrument Flight Rules, IFR, and be on an IFR flight plan to navigate and maintain safe flight. Establishing straight and level flight. Achieving straight and level flight in IMC involves setting the desired altitude and heading, followed by constant adjustments to maintain them. It requires the pilot to managing the following: 1. Setting power and trim. 2. Maintaining altitude. 3. Maintaining heading. 4. Avionics and instrument interpretation. 5. Techniques for maintaining straight and level flight. Setting power and trim. Throttle management. 1. Setting the throttle to achieve the desired airspeed is a primary step in establishing straight and level flight. 2. Proper power settings are crucial for maintaining a steady speed. 3. The throttle controls the engine power, which in turn affects the thrust, and consequently, the airspeed. Trimming the aircraft. 1. Once the desired airspeed is achieved, using the trim controls is essential to relieve control pressures. 2. Trimming the aircraft allows it to maintain the set pitch and yaw attitudes with minimal input from the pilot. 3. This makes flying more comfortable and reduces pilot fatigue, enabling longer periods of straight and level flight. Maintaining altitude. Pitch adjustment. 1. Maintaining a constant altitude requires precise control of the aircraft's pitch attitude. The elevator is used to set the aircraft's nose position. 2. By adjusting the pitch, the pilot can ensure that the lift generated by the wings counteracts the aircraft's weight, keeping it at the desired altitude. 3. The attitude indicator helps establish the correct pitch attitude. Altitude monitoring. 1. Regularly checking the altimeter is vital to ensure the aircraft remains at the desired altitude. 2. The altimeter provides real-time feedback on the aircraft's height above mean sea level. 3. Small corrections with the elevator may be necessary to counteract minor altitude deviations caused by factors such as changes in air density or turbulence. Maintaining heading. Roll control. 1. To maintain a steady heading, the pilot must keep the wings level. 2. This is achieved by using the ailerons to control roll. 3. The attitude indicator assists in maintaining the correct bank angle, ensuring that the aircraft does not inadvertently turn. 4. Keeping the wings level helps maintain a straight flight path. Monitoring. Heading. 1. The heading indicator or magnetic compass is used to verify and maintain the desired heading. 2. These instruments provide a stable reference for the aircraft's direction. 3. Small adjustments with the ailerons and rudder are made to correct any heading deviations. 4. Consistent heading monitoring ensures the aircraft stays on the intended flight path. Avionics and instrument interpretation. Accurate instrument interpretation is vital for maintaining straight and level flight, especially in conditions with limited visual references. Attitude indicator. 1. The attitude indicator displays the aircraft's pitch and roll attitudes relative to the horizon. 2. It is the primary reference for maintaining the correct pitch and bank angles. 3. By consistently monitoring the attitude indicator, the pilot can ensure the aircraft remains level and on the correct flight path. Altimeter. 1. The altimeter indicates the aircraft's altitude above mean sea level. 2. continuous monitoring of the altimeter is necessary to maintain the desired altitude. 3. It helps the pilot make necessary adjustments to the pitch attitude to counteract any altitude deviations. Airspeed indicator. 1. The airspeed indicator shows the aircraft's speed relative to the surrounding air. 2. Maintaining a constant airspeed is essential for stable flight. 3. The pilot uses the airspeed indicator to ensure the throttle setting is appropriate and makes adjustments as necessary to maintain the desired speed. Heading indicator. 1. The heading indicator displays the aircraft's current heading. 2. It provides a stable reference for maintaining the desired direction. 3. Regular checks of the heading indicator help the pilot detect any deviations from the intended flight path and make corrections promptly. Vertical speed indicator (VSI). 1. The VSI shows the rate of climb or descent. A 0 reading indicates level flight, while positive or negative readings indicate climbing or descending, respectively. 2. Monitoring the VSI helps the pilot ensure the aircraft remains at a constant altitude and makes necessary pitch adjustments to maintain level flight. Techniques for maintaining straight and level flight. Effective instrument scan. 1. A systematic instrument scan involves regularly checking the attitude indicator, altimeter, airspeed indicator, heading indicator, and VSI. 2. This helps the pilot detect and correct any deviations promptly. 3. An effective instrument scan requires the pilot to develop a consistent scanning pattern, ensuring that no instrument is overlooked. Recognizing and correcting deviations. 1. Deviations from straight and level flight can occur due to turbulence, control inputs, or other factors. 2. The pilot must recognize and correct these deviations by making small coordinated adjustments to the control surfaces. 3. Timely corrections prevent small deviations from becoming larger, maintaining stable flight. Practice and proficiency. Consistent practice is essential for mastering straight and level flight. Pilots should focus on maintaining precise control inputs and developing an intuitive sense of the aircraft's behavior. Regular practice helps build muscle memory and enhances the pilot's ability to maintain straight and level flight with minimal effort. Conclusion. Establishing and maintaining straight and level flight is a critical skill for all pilots. It requires a comprehensive understanding of aerodynamics, precise control inputs, and effective instrument interpretation. Mastery of this skill lays the foundation for more advanced maneuvers and ensures safe and efficient flight operations. Through diligent practice and continuous improvement, pilots can achieve proficiency in straight and level flight, enhancing their overall flying capabilities. This concludes Module 6, Straight and Level Flight in Instrument Meteorological Conditions, IMC. We hope you enjoyed this video. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave any comments or questions you have below.